Today we're making DIY rainbow bookmarks.
These super easy bookmarks can be done even by kindergartners. Today we're going to show you how to make 3 of them, but you could definitely customize them to make them your own.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs.
Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
We use paper,
but you could also use cardstock, decorative cardstock, poster board, or paperboard.
Markers,
or crayons or coloring pencils.
Pens, pencils, and eraser. Scissors or a cutting tool. And glue.
The first bookmark we're making is the
rainbow popsicle.
We took a blank sheet of paper and folded it in half. If you're using cardstock, you can skip this step. Then using a pencil, we drew out the shape of the popsicle. Using a pen, we drew on a cute face. Then, because this is a rainbow popsicle bookmark, we drew lines marking out where we would color. Then using our markers, we filled in the blanks with the colors of the rainbow. We also colored the popsicle stick brown. At this point, it doesn't matter if you stayed inside the lines, because we're going to cut out the bookmark anyway. We went in with our black pen and outlined everything to make it more neat. Then we cut out the bookmark. Because we folded the paper in half beforehand, we got 2 shapes. So we used our glue stick to attach them. Using our scissors, we trimmed the edges to make it more neat. And here is the finished popsicle bookmark. The next one we're making is the rainbow and cloud. Just like we did for the popsicle, we drew out the shape of the bookmark and then marked where we were going to color the rainbow. We went in with our black pen and gave the cloud a cute face. Then we used our markers to color the rainbow. Using the scissors, we cut out the cloud and then attached the 2 pieces using the glue. We went in with our pen and outlined the bookmark to make it more neat. Our final bookmark is the rainbow ice cream cone. First we drew the ice cream cone, and then using our pen, we drew a cute face. We also used our pen to add the crisscross pattern to the ice cream cone. Then we went in with our markers and filled in the ice cream in the colors of the rainbow. We also colored the cone brown. Once again, we cut out the bookmark and attached the two pieces of paper using our glue. And this is the finished ice cream cone bookmark.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!